folks, Wendy here. Today we are doing some pumpkin carving, and this is my daughter Rach. And as you can see, she's already started her design. Here's the tools you need for this job. We've got some pottery carving tools, some dry erase markers, which are great in case you change your mind on where you want things. This is for scooping out the guts, or you can use a blender. Got some toothpicks if you want to hold anything on, and then some big bowls, and I'll show you why. So when it comes to cutting the opening into your pumpkin, the traditional way is to cut it on the top, or you can put your pumpkin upside down on a bowl if you want to keep the top whole, and this protects the stem inside the bowl. And then I'm going to draw an outline around this bowl and then carve my opening from the bottom so it will be hidden. So just use a trace marker, trace all the way around to make a perfect circle on the bottom of the pumpkin. And I'm carefully cutting it out with a nice sharp knife. And I'm cleaning out the middle of the pumpkin using a spoon, scooping out, use my hands, and I even tried the mixer. Unfortunately, the cord wasn't long enough, so I mostly use the slotted spoon. It only takes minutes. Then I went around to the front with a dry erase marker. I drew where I wanted to put some more gourds because this is an Oh My Gourd pump. This is one of the eye sockets. And I'm playing with a gourd. And this is my knife of choice. It's a fruit and veggie thin knife. It worked great. I actually didn't use the pottery tools at all. So I kept playing with it until that looked good. And then I drew a circle where I wanted the other eye socket. Started to reach my opening. This gourd was a little oddly shaped, so I had to cut some to fit it in there. Here we go. Almost done. Just need to draw a fun mouth. And in this case, I wanted to draw a mouth that had teeth, but also a big opening so that I could stick another smaller gourd pumpkin in there, make it look like he was eating a pumpkin. So with a dry erase marker, I drew this pattern, wipe it off, do some more cleaning. I like the strands inside the mouth. It makes it look creepy. Really fun project to do together and quick and easy. And this is the end result with the little gourds. Really fun project. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.